Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The 25th juz of the Quran takes us beyond the surface of belief, forcing us to confront the realities of divine power, human arrogance, and the signs woven into every aspect of existence. It completes Surah Az-Zukhruf and journeys through Surah Ash-Shura, Surah Az-Zukhruf, Surah Ad-dukhaan, and Surah Az-Jaathiya, each offering lessons that demand reflection. Surah Az-Zukhruf ends with a powerful declaration: no one, no matter how intelligent or resourceful, has complete knowledge except Allah. For centuries, people have challenged revelation, dismissing it as outdated or irrelevant. Yet, the Quran stands unshaken. The disbelievers, in their arrogance, try to drown out the message, covering their ears and hardening their hearts. But truth is not silenced by ignorance. It continues to call upon those willing to listen, inviting them to reflect. The question remains: are we truly listening? Surah Ash-Shura then expands our view to the vastness of Allah's kingdom. Every treasure, whether material wealth, knowledge, or unseen blessings, is in His hands alone. The rain that revives the earth, the seamless motion of ships across the oceans, the delicate balance of the skies above, and the depths of the sea below. Every detail is a sign of His absolute power. But perhaps one of the greatest signs of all is the power over life itself. Allah determines who is given children, sons, daughters, both, or none at all. It is neither luck nor personal effort, but divine wisdom unfolding in ways we may not always comprehend. Surah Az-Zukhruf then turns our attention to the past, revealing a pattern that repeats throughout history. Nations clung to the traditions of their forefathers, blindly rejecting the prophets who came to guide them. They valued legacy over truth, comfort over change. Pharaoh stands as the ultimate example of unchecked arrogance. His delusion of power, his false sense of control, his belief that he was above consequence. But reality caught up to him. His name remains a symbol, not of greatness, but of what happens to those who let pride overshadow humility. The surah then brings us face to face with the ultimate fate of all souls, the eternal division between the people of paradise and the people of hell. Each one will arrive at their destination, never to leave again. Surah Ad-dukhaan shifts the focus from human history to the unseen realm of destiny and divine decree. It reminds us of a night more powerful than 1,000 months, Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree, where destinies are written and the affairs of the world are set into motion. But not everyone benefits from this reality. For those who persist in denial, rejecting every warning and every opportunity to repent, there is only regret. The surah gives a chilling description of Surah Az-Zukhruf, the cursed tree of hell, growing from the depths of punishment, its fruits like the heads of devils. Those who refuse to nourish their souls with truth in this world will be forced to consume the bitter consequence of their own arrogance in the hereafter. Surah Az-Jaathiya then challenges the mind and soul to reflect. It presents a living classroom of divine science. The heavens, the earth, the alternating of night and day, the creatures that walk, crawl, and swim. Every detail of creation points back to Allah's authority. This echoes the profound message found in Surah Baqarah, where believers are called to seek knowledge and recognize the signs before them. But not everyone chooses to see. The surah describes those who mocked revelation, dismissing it as irrelevant, On the day of judgment, they will stand alone, forsaken by the very truth they once ridiculed. The 25th juz is not just a warning, it is an awakening. It calls upon us to see, to understand, and to accept the undeniable reality that Allah alone is in control. The signs are everywhere. The question is, will we open our eyes before it's too late?